Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is meat grinders. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, they are about like a 31 inches long. And the overall height of the units, they are about like a 25 inches tall. And the width of the units about like a 15 inches. So we do see the units made by all stainless steels. Manufacturer coming with a pan prepare trace on top of it. For this pan trace dimensions, it's about like a 19.5 inches long and 13.5 inches wide, and also about like a 2 inches deep. So for the accessories from the manufacturers, they give you a holding sticks from the top, and also the front head, they give you two different sizes. You can just squeeze it out and to replace the head for the units. And also they come in with a handle for the screws for you to easy to remove the screwdrivers on the units to clean the inside or maintenance. And let me turn around the side to see the details on the other one. Okay, on the side we can see they have a ETL listed information and cut sheets information. This unit is using the standard 110 plugs, and also they do have buttons right here, the reverse and forwards, and also the stops. This will be the all demonstration information about the products, and if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.